We're excited to introduce Webhooks in Timetics AI. Now you can instantly send booking data to any third-party platform that supports Webhooks, making it easy to power your own automations and integrations. Let's see how it works. To get started, open your Timetics AI dashboard, then go to Settings and open the Webhook sections. Now click Add Webhook to create a new webhook. First, give your webhook a name. Next comes the most important field, the webhook URL. This is the destination where Timetics AI will send all the event data. In this example, we're using webhook.site. So I'm going to copy this link from here and I'm going to paste it right over here. That means Timetics AI will now send all the data to this particular URL. You'll also notice the sign-in secret. Some platforms use this to verify that the incoming requests are genuinely coming from Timetics AI. If your integration requires it, simply copy and use this secret key in your application. Now choose the events you want to listen for, such as booking created, booking confirmed, or any other supported event. You can select only the events you need or enable all of them. Once everything is configured, click Create Webhook. Before using it in production, you can quickly verify and configure by clicking the Send Test Payload button. Timetics AI will immediately send a sample request to the configured webhook URL. So let's check it out in webhook.site. Here you can see that Timetics AI has indeed sent some test data so that we can verify that yes, this connection is actually working. Now let's see this in action. We'll create a real booking from the public booking page just as a customer normally would. As soon as the booking is completed, let's check webhook.site again. You can see that Timetics AI has instantly delivered the completed booking payload, including all the relevant booking information, to our webhook endpoint. And that's it. With Timetics AI webhooks, you can easily send your booking events to virtually any platform or application that supports custom webhooks, allowing you to build powerful custom workflows, automations, and integrations that fit your business needs.